Please like, subscribe and turn on notifications.
Open your Xender app, click on social, yes, how to save your status. Open WhatsApp, click on status. Then you view as many status as you want to view.
What if I tell you that what you invite to me, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, your sister, your brother, your grandmother, your grandfather, your father, your mother, your ancestors, your English people, to register with you, you will get 50% discount. Are you still thinking about missing this? Of course not. And then, what if I also tell you that you can also
Go back to your Xender app. You can easily minimize it. All the status you've been viewing will show up here. Click on the download button you save to your phone. You can also click on the share button. You can upload it to your status or send it to your friend. It's as easy as that. You don't only save videos, you can also save images as well. Click on the download button and you are good. To download video from Facebook, click on open Facebook. Search for the video you want to use. And what you actually have to do is that you have to copy the link for the three dots. Click on copy link. Back to your Xender app. Click paste and download. Analyzing the link. Video is ready. Click on it and you're good. Click on find video. I actually wanted to type for a particular video, so I have to use the search bar. Type in John OBD. Then I search for it. Save images by clicking on the red button with the arrow pointing downward. Click on the IGTV icon. Then search for the video you want to see.
Like, subscribe and turn on notifications.